Hi friends. It is important to understand this chart. It is based on the addition on the figure which comes on a Sunday in the individual boards. For example, last week Sunday for board D we got 0. Last Sunday for board A we got 2. Last Sunday for board B we got 6. Last Sunday for board C we got 8. Here the red color in the table represents the addition of +1 and +6. For example, if we add +1, +6 to a 0 we get 1, 6. This is a combination. These are called opposites. It is called a complete circle. It is also called pairs. Similarly, +2, +7 represent the color blue to the last Sunday of the last week. Similarly, green is +3 and +8 to the last Sunday of that individual boards. With these three boards and colors we get a sequence of 6 figures. For example, on a 0, we will get 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8. With this we check which sequence is the one to focus on. For these 6 figures, you can make 3 different combinations of 4 figures each. For example, combine red with green. Combine red with blue. Combine blue with green. For example, in board D, we can prepare 3 sequences of 4 digits each. Combination of red and green, based on 0 which came on Sunday last week is 1, 3, 6 and 8. So you can see since Monday we had 6 on Monday, Tuesday we had 3 and Friday today we have a 1. 3 sequences out of 5 days. Similarly, red and blue would mean 1, 2, 6 and 7. Similarly, green and blue would be 2, 3, 7 and 8. So far in board D, we have 1, 3, 6 and 8. Came 3 times. So far in board A, we have red and blue, 3, 4, 8 and 9. These have come 3 times. So far in board B, we have blue and green 3, 4, 8 and 9. These have also come 3 times. In board C, we have sequence of green and blue, which is 5, 0, 1 and 6. These have also come 3 times. For all the charts, the 4-digit sequences come around 3 to 4 times a week on an average. In all the above boards, these have come at least 3 times already. You can see blue sequence of 2 and 7 has not come in board D. You can also see green 3 and 8 has not come in board A. You can also see red 2 and 7 has not come in board B. You can also see red 4 and 9 has not come in board C. Based on these pending sequences, we have picked up 3 digits for each of these boards. We had 1 pending in board D which has come today after 15 days. So expecting 1 of 2 and 7 which is pending to come in the next 2 days. We had 2 pending in board C, which came today after 12 days. So expecting 4 pending in board C which is pending since last 35 days. Picked both 4 and 9 to come in the next 2 days. Sequences in both board A and B, 469 and 194 to come as a part of the last 8 to 9 days figures. 4 has not come in board A since 13 days. So there is a possibility of 4 coming there. This week 4 came 2 times in board B after 29 days. So chances of 4 coming in board D and A are high. Wish you all the very best.
कोशिश नहीं छोड़ते तो आज तुम्हें बड़े खिलाड़ी होते हैं, लेकिन तुमने तो अपनी उम्मीद ही खो दी। तुमने विशाल के सपनों को भी तोड़ दिया, लेकिन विशाल ने ना तो हिम्मत हारी और ना ही किसी की मदद लेने से इनकार किया।
हाँ दादा, मुझे साई नहीं समझाया था, मैंने साई की बात ही मानी और आज मैं चुन लिया गया हूँ। मुझे कुछ महीने में लंदन भेज रहे हैं।
काश मुझे अपनी गलती का एहसास पहले हो गया होता। जब जागो तभी सहेगा। अब मैं अपनी सजा भुगतना चाहता हूँ ताकि उसके बाद अपने बीते कल के ऋण से मुक्त होकर के एक नई जिंदगी शुरू कर सकूं।